Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two ways on how to stop Windows 11 auto updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open this small window called Run, where here you need to type for gpedit.msc. Again, type for gpedit.msc and click on OK once you have typed it. A new window would appear, which is your local group policy editor, where here you need to proceed at the first row and adjust the size of that and go with computer configuration. So select on administrative templates, okay? And you need to go with this forward arrow and wait until a file folder under the administrative templates would appear. Okay, so click this forward arrow, please, and proceed with Windows Components. And click this forward arrow again. Adjust the size of that and scroll down and look for Windows Update. Okay, so once you have selected it, click this forward arrow again and go with Managed and User Experience. Once you have selected it, there you would be able to see an option called Extended and Standard. So simply click on Standard, and here under the setting, you need to proceed with the Configure Automatic Updates. Again, the Configure Automatic Updates. Please do a right click and go with Edit. Okay. And here in this window, you need to proceed and configure automatic updates and you need to enable such. And here you need to go with configure automatic updating and go with notify for download and auto install. Okay. Once you're done, click on apply and then OK. And close all of the folders that we have just opened. Once you're done, close this window as well and moved on to our second and last method. At the keyboard again, press Windows and R key together, and this time you need to type for services.msc. Click on OK to proceed and wait until a new window would appear, which is your services. Okay, so here at the services, please select any of the service or system. Type W in your keyboard and you need to scroll down and navigate to Windows Update. Okay, so once you are here, we need to change the startup type into disabled. How we can do so? Please do a right click to it, go with properties, and in this window, proceed with general, go with startup type, and go with disabled. Once you have set it, click on apply to continue and stop the service status. Once you have stopped the service status, click on OK and close the window. Okay? So those are the two methods in how to stop the Windows 11 auto updates. If you think those methods help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.